Take 3. Oh, I love technology and recording on cell phones. It's so fun. Remind me why I don't normally do this? Anyway, guys, I'm changing the direction of the YouTube channel. I already posted about this on the Facebook page. After I did the video about, is high quality music, is producing high quality music worth it? I came to the conclusion that really it's not. If people are stealing even indie bands' music, it's like, what reason do we have to spend the time and the money on the hardware, the expensive software, to get a higher quality product when people are just going to steal that product? So, the direction I'm headed with this channel from now on is making money with your music, because there are still ways to do it, and also how to promote your music. Promoting after you get the actual music made in your home studio. What do you do with that music? How do you get that music out there? That's what I want to cover. To me, that's important. That's really the most important thing, and the biggest missing link with a lot of musicians is after they spend all that time coming up with the songs and then coming up with the money to record and mix and master their music, they don't do anything with that music, or they struggle to do something with that music. So the very first video coming right out of the gate, I want to talk about this because it's something that I've said to bands I've recorded with, but they didn't take my advice, and I see other people doing it. They've been doing it for years. This was years ago, I'm talking like 2007, 2008, 2009. I had mentioned this, and you can only give somebody advice, they can't follow it. But I'm going to give you guys the same advice, and that is the Justin Bieber method to promoting your music. Now hear me out. Justin Bieber is an American pop idol. He's hugely popular, screaming girls everywhere, millions of YouTube views. How did he get his start? He got his start by doing cover music and putting those songs on YouTube. Well, actually his mom and I think his dad might have, they videotaped him doing cover songs. The very first video he did a cover song, I think, of a Neo, I don't know which song it was. I think it was Neo though, and he was in some kind of contest, and that was the very first video on the Justin Bieber YouTube channel that eventually had like 2 million subscribers, and eventually Usher discovered him because of the cover music. And so my advice is cover some music that maybe not be in the genre of music that you're doing original songs in. So let's say you do acoustic music, then doing a cover of a Taylor Swift song, or a something in R&B or rap, maybe even a metal rock song, heavy metal. Just do something like that. There's the top 10 Billboard songs that are being heavily promoted. They're in heavy rotation. Piggyback on their success. Don't be shameful about it. Promoting, a lot of times you just got to be shameless. Absolutely shameless. Look at this channel. I piggyback on products. When I do reviews, some of my most popular videos are the product reviews, and they get a lot of views. A lot of people discover my videos that way, and it's because these products are being promoted, in guitar magazines, in musician magazines, on the internet. When you do Google searches for like plugins, they buy Google ads. So I'm promoting these products. I'm piggybacking on that success. I'm not necessarily doing that intentionally, but just by chance. Now, I will say in the very beginning of this channel, I got a press pass for the AES convention. I don't know why they gave me a press pass to this day. I still am confused as to why they gave somebody who had like 10 subscribers at the time a press pass, but I convinced them, and I delivered what I said I would deliver. And that was good convention show coverage with relevant questions and high quality video and high quality sound, and that's what they got. And I still like 2 of those videos, the Gibson and the Ozone 5 video, are still some of my most popular videos. Again, it's piggybacking, but that's how promotion works, and it works out well for everybody involved. And that's a method I would recommend doing. So again, the Justin Bieber method is simply to cover songs that are in the top 10 Billboard charts and post them on YouTube, and also have your original music, maybe for your like non-subscriber link for your main video on your channel, have that be one of your cover songs. I'm gonna post a few channels in the video description so that I have some anecdotal evidence that I'm not talking out of my ass. This actually does work. One final example of that is a drummer by the name of Metal. And again, I hope I'm holding this camera properly. Metal does amazing drum covers. I think she was putting like a video out every week of a new song, of mostly rock songs. And she's a really cute Israeli girl who is based out of California now, and for 3 years she had just drum covers, and that's all she did, and she did them very, very well. I mean, she's an amazing drummer, absolutely amazing. Cute smile, multiple camera angles. It wasn't the greatest video quality, but it was multiple camera angles, and that's better than you can say for most YouTube videos, including this one that's being recorded with an iPhone. So yeah. That's it, guys. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't say what I meant to say. So Metal recently did a Kickstarter campaign to raise money to make an album, and I think her goal was like $30,000 or $60,000, something like that. She's in California, I think Los Angeles maybe, if not somewhere in California. There's recording studios all over the place, commercial, high-quality recording studios. She ended up raising $150,000 for her album. I don't know about you, but I don't have that money laying around. So, and she got it through doing drum covers. That's it. There's nothing wrong with piggybacking on other people's success, especially if you have $0 to promote. Set up a web camera, record yourself doing a cover, and hopefully that helps bring more subscribers to your channel and eventual fans of your original music, and go from there. That's how I've discovered a lot of indie musicians, because I'm looking for a specific song or a cover of that song, and then I see that they have original music in it. I've discovered a lot of bands that way, or a lot of independent musicians, and free promotion, guys. You can't beat it. This has been Adam for RealHomeRecording.com.